Hey guys, welcome to another plumbing video on homeowner repair. I'm Tony, and in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your pipe breaks under your kitchen sink and water starts to go all over the place. It can be a pretty bad problem to have. You know, if water gets all over the floor and stuff like that, it can definitely ruin the floor. So before we roll into this, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have a question, leave a comment and I'll reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you get all of our latest uploads.
So a pretty common thing to have happen is for the dishwasher water feed to break. So on mine, there's a braided line right there. Some of you might have like a copper line going into it, into maybe another hose, or it just goes behind there and feeds it. But if that happens to break, you should have like a valve, shut-off valve on it. So you would either turn the lever or shut the handle off, and that would stop the water from spraying out all over the place, save your floors and your cabinets. There should also be a couple of shutoffs here, one for the hot water and cold water that feed, the kitchen faucet. I don't have one on here. It's underneath the floor downstairs. So if you happen to have one here, depending on what pipe is leaking, you can shut those off. And if those don't work, or if all else fails, get to know your plumbing system a little bit. If there's aren't any shutoffs under that sink, or if they're not working for some reason because they're frozen, get familiar with your plumbing system. Go to the next shutoff in line. So right here, I've got a cold shutoff. So I would just shut that off if my cold water line broke under the kitchen sink. And I have a hot one feeding it too right there. So I could just shut that off. And then the water would stop going to the kitchen sink and going all over the place. And if that doesn't work, and all else fails, go to the main coming into the house. So if for some reason you can't quickly get to shut the water off from a valve that's close by, you always shut the main off. It'll look like this. You can twist the handle shut, crank it all the way down. Hopefully it'll turn easy for you. That'll shut down the whole house from water coming in, and it's just a quick, easy way to, if you have an emergency, to shut the water off that's going all over your home, and so it won't ruin anything. So hope this helps you out. Just get a little familiar with the plumbing system in your house, so if an emergency like that happens, you know exactly where to go in multiple locations to shut the water off. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.